Hi, this is Jim from Rexnord Inside Sales, and welcome to Rexnord.com 2D and 3D CAD drawing module. In this video, we will walk you through how to create a 3D view as well as access to 2D and 3D drawings available to you on Rexnord.com. This video will also demonstrate how to customize your drawings to your needs as well as how to download them for your use. 2D and 3D drawings can be very useful to engineers to utilize them starting a new project or to ensure that the product that they have specified will fit their application. That's why Rexnord has made it easy for you to create and download 2D and 3D drawings on Rexnord.com. To access the CAD drawings on Rexnord.com, log into your Rexnord.com account. Then go to Resources, 2D and 3D Drawings. Select the product line you'd like the drawing in. The products that have 2D and 3D drawings on Rexnord.com will have CAD configurations set up. For example, we request a drawing for a 5315 JR25A with a 2.938 bushing. First, we'll click on the gear. Under the gear category, we're going to click on the shaft mount gear drives, click on the quad drive gear drives. Then we will select the size, the 5315. And simply enter the description. This will filter it down to one product. There's our JR5315 shaft mount with a 2.938. Click on the part. Click on 2D, 3D model. Specify what is needed. Click on the Update 3D View. To download a 3D version of the product, go to the Download CAD section. Top right, from the drop-down, select the type of format you'd like to render the drawing in, and click Download. Notes can be added to the drawing. Click on the 2D PDF drawing for a drawing of the reducer. Click on here to download. Customer notes are here. Selection sheet is a summary of the accessories requested. To request a quote, scroll up, add the item to your cart, and check out or create a quote. Thank you for viewing the 2D, 3D CAD drawing video. For more information or documentation, please visit Rexnord.com. Be sure to subscribe to Rexnord's YouTube channel to stay up to date on all installation, maintenance, and all other Rexnord video content.